So people ask me, what is mindful parenting? And I say, no, 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 that's not where we should start. Let's go back and define parenting itself. What is parenting? You see, this is the most important thing we do in our life, at least at the personal level, right? But there is no clear definition for it. There is no training for it. And for many of us, there are not many healthy, wise role models that we can say, oh, that's a good parent. That's what I'm going to do. You know, I wish somebody did what I'm planning to do when I was younger and when my children were younger. I decided to do this so that we can define in a very healthy way what parenting is all about and explore ways of being a mindful parent. And more importantly, to develop tools that they can actually take home and start using it to mindfully parent our children, regardless of their age. I hope you can join us, and I look forward to seeing you there.